All right, today we're going to bring a digital camera, and this is a webcam. This is 3-in-1. All right, and so they give you the actual cover, the door, in case you want to cover your camera and have the privacy. You just put the adhesive around it, and that's pretty much it. All right. Now there's speakers in the front of it. All right, and you can hear you can see the subwoofer in the back. There's a microphone built in. It's a 2K camera. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to balance it on our system. We're going to do a color coordination, and we're going to test it out, see how well it works. And it also has noise cancellation. So if you're going to do Zoom meetings or anything like that, I'm going to take a look at it and see how it works. So let's go ahead and test it out. This is a 2K camera. We're going to do the audio on it too, so you guys can hear it and see it for once. Now we're going to actually test out the colors coordination. So I like to bring a color pattern in here to see how well it's actually understanding the patterns. And of course, I'm going to try not to cover my audio here. So the pink's a little off. You guys can see the color pink. And right now we only have one light. So we're going to actually turn it off and just going to get one light to turn on, which is going to be the monitor only. So right now we're doing color coordination on the actual camera. And we're going to turn it around to see the more of the gray part of it. You can see some of the colors are a little bit tinted, some of the colors are off. Now, let's bring an eye chart. I like to bring an eye chart to make sure that everything's legible and you're able to read some information. If somebody's teaching something over the class using this camera, they could be able to see something. So we're going to see how many letters you guys can see from the actual bottom. And I'm standing maybe about 2 feet away from it on the camera. And some of the stuff is legible. So it's very, very clear. I can see the camera very clear. I'm going to move forward just a little bit so you guys can see more of the pattern. So let's see how well it also focuses it. So if I put my hand in there, see how fast it focuses the chip. So it focuses pretty well. Now we're going to test out the actual turn off all the lights and see how well it captures, right? All right, so if I turn off the lights completely, the camera goes into like a standby. It doesn't understand it. So I'm going to turn off the light. So if I turn off the light, the camera will not work with the light off completely. That's something that I saw that it wasn't capturing very well. Now we're going to actually test out how well is the noise cancellation on it. And I like to play some music around it with my phone of a crowd effect and see how well I could talk over it. So let's go ahead and do that test. All right, we're gonna run a crowd effect on this. I'm gonna be talking over it. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna pause it right now so you guys can hear it. So I'm gonna play it again from my phone, right? And I'm about maybe 2 feet away. So let's go ahead and do the test again. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna stop the noise. And we're going to see the noise cancellation, how well it works, and I hope you guys hear it. Now, we're going to play some music out of that speaker, too. So it is also a speaker. We're going to test it out, so let's go see how well it works. All right, we're going to play some music out of it and see how well it works. So it's coming out of the actual speaker. It's coming out of the camera. Sounds really good. So the camera, the audio on it is fantastic. It was really loud. I actually have some small speakers, but that is like coming out of the actual webcam. It's really loud. So if you're gonna do a Zoom call or any kind of presentations or any kind of video conferencing, this is a perfect way to use it. So very simple. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.